Hello to all of my dear friends, welcome. I'm so glad that you're watching this video. In this video, I'm going to introduce one more of our products, which is from our cartoon collections. So we have the animation Scoob style today. To create this product, we have spent so many hours, so it has the most simulation to the original style, and I think we were successful and our designers have done great. The result is honestly impressive. So if you like this product, just go to typepix.net and join the VIP account, get the membership, and you can access this product and hundreds of other products. So like all of our other products, this style also works on all different languages, so don't worry about that. It doesn't matter what language you use or what font you use. So let's get started to edit this attractive style. So right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In the window which appears right here, we have one layer which is a yellow layer. You just need to double click on the text layer, and all you need to do now is just type your ideal text just like this. So it's perfect. The characters which are connected, you can just select them one by one and just make a little gap between them. Between any you want, just increase or decrease the distance. I think is perfect. I'm just going to minimize my text a little. Also, if you like, you can change the font, which I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it as it is. So there's nothing else to do. Just close and click save and wait a moment till your style is applied on your text. So we have our perfect result right here. As you see, our 3D effect is applied automatically to our text, and the result is magnificent, exactly like the original logo. So I'm going to get on with the rest of the layers. We have the effects folder. We're going to start from the bottom. We have the extrusion, which contains 4 different levels. Each one of these, when you switch them off, is going to decrease the depth of your 3D effect. As you see right now, if you pay attention, the depth is going to decrease. So I'm just going to switch them back on, so the 3D effect is back. So guys, as this style has many layers and it's complicated, your editing might get a little slow, so I suggest you to open the extrusion folder and just merge the levels and turn it into a single level. So all of the layers are turned into one layer. It has a super effect on your editing, and it will increase your speed. So just do this after you're sure about your text and you don't want to edit your text anymore. So we're done right here. We have the style section right here, which contains the main styles. I suggest you to just ignore this folder. So finally, we have our text at the bottom right here, which you can easily edit and type your ideal text just like this. Also, you can change the color. You can also enlarge it. Also, if you want to have it in a transparent, all you need to do is just switch off the background. And as you see how neat and clean, we have a brilliant transparent right here, which you can get a PNG outcome and use in all different projects. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. To access, just go to typepix.net, get the VIP membership and enjoy all of our products. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye to our next video.